How did it work out? Was it worthwhile? Was it worth coming?
Hi, Ben. Yeah, it's great, mate. Yeah, really enjoyed it.
Bring up, bang up, awesome. Do more.
Oh, do more. Yes, sir. Was it worth coming?
Oh, definitely, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, it's nice to see some humanoids, isn't it? Thank you all so much for coming.
Yeah, Ben.
Thanks a lot, Ben.
Feedback on email.
Thank you, Ben.
Thank you.
Cheers, Ben.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks very much.
All right.
Nice one, Ben. See you later.
But yeah, I think the idea itself is definitely worth going on with.
Anyway, Greg, what did you want to say?
I think it's a great idea. I was having a hard time hearing the other players when they were playing.
But you can see everybody, and that makes a big, big difference. And I think that makes a big difference here too. The workshop, you can see what people are doing, and you feel like part of a group much more so. I mean, it's second best to a proper workshop with everybody in the same room.
How was the workshop for you?
Yes, it was really good. I really liked it. It's like I'm a beginner, so I cannot really play the harmonica, but like this is a super way to start, I think. So I would enjoy, of course.
It was really good. I would definitely try something like this again, and I like your idea of streaming for various levels too. I'm just like my first week picking it up. So
hi, Ben. Yeah, I thought it was really good. I really enjoyed it. And as I said, I've only been playing for about 6 or 7 months, and I'm pretty rough around some things, but I really enjoyed the interaction and everything.
Oh, great. Oh, great.
Same here, beginner as well. I like the teaching way and how everything is coordinated.
It's difficult for me to follow you because I have difficult to understand English. I'm French.
You speak perfect English.
I don't speak slowly, donc it's difficult for me to try to understand.
Oh, well, next time we'll do it in French. I only speak a little bit of French, just petit pois, tout petit pois.
That's a pea. That's a vegetable.
Thank you. Shelby, yes, sir.
In today's day and age, with everything that's going on, I think that because our group is scattered throughout the globe, I think we're doing a really good job of practicing social distancing here with this course.
There's no greater distance.
Good to finally see you.
Yes, sir. All right. Well, look, it's been really fun. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Jim, do you think this is a viable thing to do? Do you think this is worthwhile?
Oh, sure. Oh, yeah. I use Zoom quite a bit for my business, so I'm a big believer in the platform.
Right. First time this week. I've never tried it before.
Oh, I did a great job.
And what are you thinking, Denise? Do you like this?
Oh, yes. I don't play the harmonica yet, but I did buy a lesson. So I just wanted to kind of get a little bit of motivation.
So that is the first of my 6 points, how you connect with the harmonica. Sometimes it makes it much harder when you're playing single notes, tongue blocking or puckering, but main thing is shove it in, it'll sound better. You will sound better for sure. Second thing is, can you make the inside of your mouth cavernous, spacious, active? If you've eaten a potato that's too hot and you put it, and it's like, oh, potato, too hot. Well, it's like that. Try it like that. So now try and play now with active, cavernous, spacious mouth. How's that sound? Anybody want to demonstrate that? Put your hand up. You want to demonstrate that? Mr. Ha, try that. Unmute yourself, please, and just play. Yes. Okay, good. Beautiful. And can you do the opposite? So you make your mouth as small as possible. Amazing. What time is it in Saigon right now? In Ho Chi Minh, sorry.
22 p.m.
2200 hours. Okay, folks, you heard it. We're all over the world here. Playing with hot air. So hold your hand and pretend it's a mirror and steam it up. Same idea works when you breathe in. So you want to try and feel this really opening up. Flatter than a... Help me out, Sean. Flatter than a...
pancake.
Thank you. And then when you're filling up again, fuller than a...
Belly full of pancakes.
Hello, Felix. How are you doing?
Okay. You're right, fella.
You're going to join in. Mute yourself. Anybody who's not muted, including the phone number there, 8768116. Mute yourself, and if you want to unmute, just press the space bar.
Just looking for the mute button.
Okay. That's it. You found it. So let's try this. Ha ha hoo hoo. Out, in. And I've always wanted to be able to mute a class of... Can't hear you, Paul. It's wonderful. I always... Don't do that. All my life I've wanted to be able to mute a bunch of students, and it's never been possible until now. Isn't it bizarre? We had a 10-year-old Indonesian boy in the last 2 workshops. He wanted to come to both of them, and he's 10 years old, right? And he said, you know what, this virus heralds the digital age, he told me. What do you think of that? I'm not going to comment, but that's what the boy said, 10 years old. Interesting. Okay, point number 1. So on the C harmonica, the way you connect with the instrument. Yes, Paul. Press your space bar and talk.
I'm going. Nice to meet everybody. Have fun. And
don't go yet. Let me just introduce you first. Paul Lennon is the guy. He's the brains behind the operation. He's the guy I've been writing books with for the last 20 years, and all of the books. Hello, Gillian. All of the books that we've written together are on harmonicaworld.net. If you fancy a download or a book, harmonicaworld.net, and they are absolutely top stuff. I thoroughly recommend them. Really, really pleased with them. Especially Bones of the Blues is one of my favorites, and 101 Blues Riffs. Really top stuff.
Okay, so Bones of the Blues, absolutely awesome book. If anybody else on the Zoom video hasn't seen it yet, it's really, really great.
Did you get that? Can you hear it? Yes? No? Yeah, okay, cool. Right, very good. This non-verbal stuff is wonderful, isn't it? Isn't it lovely? Right, pack it in. Straight body. Here we go. Sword swallowing, please. It's going to make a lovely video. So you really want to have, I mean, probably your throat is something like that thickness, isn't it? I don't know. Ideally, we're trying to sort of visualize it to be really much thicker. Cool. Anybody like to wave your arms around if you'd like to just demonstrate this? It's just so that we can hear some other people playing.
Can you hear me?
Right. Shelby. Okay, go for it, Shelby. Hold on. Just stick to holes 1 and 2, just out and in, so we can really hear clearly. So what I want to hear is the difference between, I want to hear the difference when you connect it to your face and when you don't. I want to hear if it makes any difference. Just holes 1 and 2, softly in and out. Now connect it. Yep, go for it. Hold 1 and 2. 1 and 2 together, please. Somebody else. Greg. Okay, unmute yourself. Play. Beautiful. Perfect. We'll let you know. Somebody else who's not played. Ranjan. Do you want to show us? Yeah. Cool. I can hear the difference in that. I'm sure you can hear it even better.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right. You're going to recommend Scott to do it. Okay, Scott.
I recommend Scott.
You can have a go, then you can recommend somebody else. Go, Scott. Go on then. Oh, yeah.
I'm listening there.
You know, that is a beautiful thing. That is such a lovely thing. A thing of beauty is a joy forever, isn't it? So I'm going to mute you all again now. Come a bit closer. Yes. Yeah. And no. Okay, who's next? Put your hand up. Wait till tomorrow night. Who's next? Okay, Ray, go. Go. Oh, baby. Ray. I wanna give my love to you. Yeah. Thank you so much for coming and taking part of this experiment.
Thank you, Ben. Ben, what's the cost of the beer where you're at?
Sorry?
What's the cost of a beer where you're at?
I don't know. There's no pubs open.
I buy you a beer, but I know what it costs.
Well, I guess it's about $5 or something. I don't know.
Okay. $5 US?
Yeah, why not?
All right. All righty. Sounds good to me.
Most kind.
Thank you, Ben.
Okay. Here, so
you go.
about £1.